That sound, that's a $200 gone. Now imagine this. You have just landed wrong. Not because you are a bad pilot, but because of one habit you built in the simulator. Some habit feels completely safe in the simulator, but in real life, they will break your drone. So let's fix that. Now don't get me wrong. The simulator is not the problem. The real problem is the habits you build in it. And the scary part is, most pilots don't even realize they are training the wrong reflexes. So let's start with the first one. Imagine you are flying in the simulator. You clip a branch and just keep going. Feels like nothing, but in real life, the same small hit ends your flight instantly. Props break, drone drops. So instead of ignoring that contact, start paying attention to it. The moment you touch something in simulator, pause for a second and ask yourself, would I have survived that in real life? If the answer is no, treat it like a real crash. Land, reset, think. Because this isn't about giving up recovery. It's about training your brain to take every mistake seriously. And in real life, you don't always get second chance. Now moving to the second habit. Picture this. You crash in simulator, you lean back, relax, then disarm. No rush. But in real life, those few seconds matters more than you think. Motor still spinning, battery still active. And that's how things go wrong fast. And you can actually train this in simulator. When you hit something and you know there is no saving it, don't keep trying. Disarm on purpose because it trains your decision making. So in real life, your brain already knows. Recoverable means try to save it. No way out means disarm instantly. And this last one. Most people don't even notice they are doing it. You crash and you are back in the air in 1 second and slowly, without realizing. You stop thinking before you fly. You stop caring about mistakes. But in real life, there is no reset button. Every mistake costs you. So next time you crash in simulator, don't rush back in. Just pause for a moment. Give it 5 seconds and ask yourself, what did I do wrong? Then restart. Because that one small pause builds real awareness. And awareness is what actually prevents crashes. So when you look at it this way, the simulator didn't fail you. It trained you exactly the way you used it. And if you are serious about not losing the drone, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.